今日はね、フィリピンのことについてね、いろいろね、質問をしていきたいなと思います。
There are also some of the children in the Philippines who work at a very young age. Some of them are also featured in some of the television in the Philippines. And the reason is that they wanted to help and support their family. So at a very young age, they will work. And actually, that's against the rules because we have like a law that integrates like the child abuse. So, but since the poverty in some places in the Philippines are the reason why they have to really allow their children to work during their young age. So, most of the children who work, it's more of like they're going to sell cigarettes